Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to discuss about why do SE16 and SE16N show different results for the same table, especially for AGR underscore define. So let me log into the system. Okay, I just logged into the system. So I will go to SE16 first and I'm going to the table AGR underscore define and my role name is Z underscore test and click on execute. Now for the table, you can see only one hit. So you can see the number of hits are 1. I will open the same table from SE16N. So from SE16N, I'm giving the same table name and I'm giving the same role as well. So I'm not opening any other table. I'm opening the same table and click on execute. So now why it is showing 4 results? So earlier I can see only 1 hit, but now it is showing as 4 hits. Why it is showing 4 hits? Because when you're opening the table from SE16, it will display only that particular table. But when you're trying to open any table, especially for this table, AGR underscore define from SE16N, it is automatically taking the text from other table called AGR underscore text. See if I can delete this one. And if I give the table name AGR underscore define, so automatically it automatically it is calling some other table called AGR underscore text. So if I give that role name and click on execute, these 4 hits are nothing but short description of that role. Short description, nothing but how many lines are there in that particular role. So let me open that role, PFCG. This is my role. Click on display. So in this role, you can see I have maintained the short description of the role and I have maintained the long text of the role. So and totally it's like a 4 lines test and all these things. The 4 lines it is displaying in the 4 individual lines. So that is the reason it is displaying as a 4 hits. And that's not it. Apart from that, we have one more interesting thing to observe. So as of now, what you observed in SE16N, this particular table and for this particular role, it is displaying 4 hits. So now let me log out from the system. Oh, sorry. Let me close this. So I'll just change the language, logon language, from English to DE. So I just changed the logon language and I'm trying to log in back. So now if I go to SE16N and give the same table AGR underscore define and the role name is Z underscore test and click on execute. Now you can see only 1 hit. Why earlier it is showing as a 4 hits and now it is showing only 1 hit? Why it's like that? Because because earlier you have logged into the English and now you have logged into the German. Whenever you logged into the German and the role texts are not translated to German, you will only see 1 hit. So SC16 results are language dependent. So it cannot convert your role text into the German language. So that's the reason it is displaying only 1 hit. So always try to use SE16 for consistent and the raw data. Be cautious with SE16N, especially if long text or multilingual data are involved in it. Okay, so that's it I wanted to share with you today. If you have any queries, please do comment on the video so that I'll check and I'll reply on it. Okay, thank you all. Bye.